Railway Recruitment Board has just released a short notice for the RRB NTPC Recruitment 2025-26, opening up a massive opportunity for job seekers across India. With a total of 850 tentative vacancy, this recruitment drive covers a wide range of posts including station master, clerk and more. Whether you are a graduate or have completed your Bharat TH standard, there are positions available for both levels. In this video, RRB NTPC stands for Non-Technical Popular Category, a recruitment process conducted by the Railway Recruitment Board. This drive aims to fill various non-technical positions in the Indian Railway, such as station master, clerk and ticket supervisor. The NTPC recruitment is highly anticipated every year due to the job security, attractive pay scale, and growth opportunities it offers. If you're looking for a stable government job, this is one of the best chances to say. This year, the RRB NTPC recruitment offers a total of 850 tentative vacancy. Out of these, 000 are for graduate level posts and 350 for undergraduate level posts. These numbers are provisional and may be updated in the official notification. The wide range of vacancy ensures that candidates from different educational backgrounds have a fair chance to compete. With such a large number of openings, candidates with a graduate degree, there are several posts available under the NTPC recruitment. The major positions include station master, goods train manager, traffic assistant, chief commercial ticket supervisor, junior account assistant typist, and senior clerk typist. In total, there are 817 graduate level vacancy. Each role comes with its own set of responsibilities and growth prospects. If you have completed your graduation, you have passed your Bharat TH standard, there are plenty of opportunities for you as well. The undergraduate level posts include junior clerk typist, accounts clerk typist, trains clerk, and commercial ticket clerk. There are a total of 308 vacancies at this level. These roles are perfect for those looking to start their career early and grow within the Indian Railways. The selection process is competitive, but with the right preparation, you can secure. One of the most attractive aspects of the RRB NTPC job is the pay scale. The salary ranges from Rs 19,900 to Rs 35,400 depending on the post and level. This competitive pay, along with additional allowances and benefits, makes these jobs highly desirable. Railway employees also enjoy perks like job security, pension and medical facilities. If you're aiming for a stable and well-paying government job, this recruitment is a golden opportunity. For applying, it's important to check if you meet the eligibility criteria. For graduate level posts, you must have a graduate degree from a recognized university or equivalent. For undergraduate level posts, a Bharat TH pass certificate from a recognized board is required. Make sure your qualifications match the post you're applying for. This ensures your application is not rejected during the screening process. Let's now look at the age limits for both levels. The age limit for RRB NTPC posts varies by level. For graduate level posts, candidates must be between 18 and 36 years old. For undergraduate level posts, the age range is 18 to 33 years. Age relaxation is applicable as per government rules for reserved category. Make sure you fall within the specified age bracket before applying. This is a crucial eligibility factor and can affect your selection process. Application fee for RRB NTPC varies by category. General, OBC, and EWS candidates need to pay Rs 500, while SC, ST, PWBD, female and ex-servicemen candidates pay a reduced fee of Rs 250. Make sure to pay the correct fee to avoid any issues with your application. The fee can be paid online through various payment methods. Keep your transaction details safe for future reference. Mark your calendars with these key dates. The NTPC vacancy notification was released on 23 September 2025 and the short notice followed on 29 September 2025. The online application process for graduate level posts starts on 21 October 2025 and ends on 20 November 2025. For undergraduate level posts, applications open on 28 October 2025. Applying for RRB NTPC is simple and entirely online. Visit the official website rbcdg.gov.in, find the relevant notification, and fill out the application form with accurate details. Upload the required documents, pay the application fee, and submit your form before the deadline. Double-check all information to avoid mistakes. After submission, keep a copy of your application and payment receipt for future reference. Let's take a closer look at the main graduate level posts. The station master is a prestigious role with 615 vacancy, responsible for managing railway station and ensuring smooth operation. The goods train manager, with 423 vacancy, oversees freight train movement. Other important posts include traffic assistant, chief commercial ticket supervisor, junior account assistant typist, and senior clerk typist. Each role offers unique responsibilities. Those applying at the undergraduate level, the main posts include junior clerk typist, accounts clerk typist, trains clerk, and commercial ticket clerk. The commercial ticket clerk has the highest number of vacancies at 424. These roles are ideal for candidates starting their careers early and looking for long-term growth in the Indian Railways. Each post has its own set of duties and offers a stable work environment. Elected candidates will undergo job training, to familiarize themselves with their roles and responsibilities. The training period is crucial for learning the practical aspects of the job and understanding railway operation. After successful completion, you'll be posted to your designated location. The Indian Railway offers excellent growth prospects with opportunities for promotion and skill development throughout your career. Selection process for RRB NTPC typically involves multiple stages, including a computer-based test, skill test, and document verification. Each stage is designed to assess your knowledge, aptitude, and suitability for the role. It's important to prepare thoroughly for each phase to maximize your chances of selection. Stay updated with the official website for detailed exam patterns and syllabus. When applying, make sure to have all necessary documents ready. These typically include your educational certificates, identity proof, category certificate, if applicable, and recent photographs. Upload clear and legible copies to avoid any issues during verification. Keeping your documents organized will help you complete the application smoothly and efficiently. Ensure a successful application. Read the official notification carefully and follow all instructions. Double-check your details before submitting the form. Use a valid email and phone number for communication. Prepare your documents in advance and keep track of important dates. Staying organized will help you avoid last-minute hassle and increase your chances of selection. All official updates, notifications, and application links are available on the RRB official website, rrbcdg.gov.in. Regularly check the site for the latest announcements, exam dates, and results. The website is the most reliable source for accurate and timely information regarding the recruitment process. The RRB NTPC recruitment process follows government rules for reservation and age relaxation. Reserved categories such as SC, Sant, OB, PWBD, and ex-servicemen are eligible for relaxations in age and application fees. Make sure to provide valid certificates to claim these benefits. This ensures a fair and inclusive selection process for all candidates. RRB NTPC jobs are among the most sought-after government positions in India. They offer job security, attractive salaries, and numerous benefits. Working with Indian Railways also means being part of one of the largest employers in the country, with opportunities for growth and advancement. If you're looking for a stable and rewarding career, this is the right path for you. Sum up: the RRB NTPC recruitment 2025-26 is a golden opportunity for both graduates and undergraduates to secure a government job in Indian Railways. With our 850 vacancy, attractive pay, and excellent growth prospects, now is the time to prepare and apply. Make sure to check the eligibility, gather your documents, and apply before the deadline. Stay tuned to the official website for updates and best of luck with your application.